The road to zero downtime. How AI is revolutionizing mean time to repair. MTTR. Imagine this. You're streaming a live football match, and just as your team is about to score, boom, the network drops. Frustrating, right? Now imagine you're a bank processing millions of transactions per second, and the network goes down for even 5 minutes. That's not just frustrating, it's catastrophic. Welcome to the Christian Omeni Tech channel, your trusted hub for cutting-edge tech insights, smart solutions, and future-forward innovation. If you're passionate about technology and want to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and join a growing community of thinkers, builders, and tech enthusiasts. Fresh content drops regularly. Don't miss out. In today's hyper-connected world, downtime is more than an inconvenience. It's a business killer. But what if we could predict failures before they happen? What if repairs could begin before a technician even gets the alert? What if networks could heal themselves? Welcome to the AI-powered future of network reliability. What is MTTR, and why should you care? Mean time to repair, MTTR, is the average time it takes to diagnose and fix a failure in a system. In transmission and optical networks, MTTR is the heartbeat of operational efficiency. The lower the MTTR, the faster services are restored, and the happier your customers are. Let's break it down with a relatable analogy. Imagine your car breaks down on the third mainland bridge in Lagos. MTTR is the time from when your car stalls to when you're back on the road. If you have a mechanic on speed dial who knows your car inside out, you're moving again in 30 minutes. If you're stuck Googling, "Why is my car smoking?" you're in for a long night. Now, replace the car with a fiber optic link and the mechanic with AI. That's the transformation we're talking about. How AI is slashing MTTR in transmission and optical networks. AI doesn't just reduce MTTR, it redefines it. Here's how. 1. Predictive maintenance. Instead of waiting for something to break, AI models analyze historical data, environmental conditions, and real-time metrics to predict failures before they occur. Case study, MTN Nigeria. MTN has been investing heavily in AI-driven network operations. Their predictive maintenance systems monitor fiber routes across Nigeria, identifying potential weak points due to weather, construction, or aging infrastructure. This allows field teams to proactively reinforce or reroute traffic before a cut happens. 2. Automated fault detection. AI can detect anomalies in milliseconds, far faster than human engineers. It pinpoints the exact location of a fault, whether it's a fiber cut in Enugu or a faulty transponder in London. Scenario. A submarine cable connecting Lagos to Europe experiences signal degradation. Traditionally, engineers would spend hours analyzing OTDR traces and alarm logs. With AI, the system flags the issue, identifies the segment, and even suggests the most likely cause: saltwater intrusion or equipment aging. 3. Smart dispatching. AI doesn't just find the problem, it helps fix it faster. By analyzing traffic patterns, technician availability, and geographic data, AI can dispatch the nearest qualified engineer with the right tools and parts. Example, Google's DeepMind plus BT Group, UK. BT uses AI to optimize field operations. When a fault is detected, the system calculates the fastest route, checks technician skill sets, and even predicts traffic conditions to ensure rapid response. Nigerian context. Why this matters more than ever. Nigeria's digital economy is booming. From fintech startups in Yaba to e-commerce giants like Jumia, reliable connectivity is the backbone of growth. Yet, challenges like vandalism, power outages, and limited infrastructure make downtime a persistent threat. Enter AI. Companies like MainOne and Globacom are exploring AI-driven network monitoring to improve service reliability. With submarine cables and metro fiber networks spanning thousands of kilometers, manual fault detection is no longer viable. Real-world impact. Banks can process transactions without interruption. Hospitals can maintain telemedicine sessions. Students can attend online classes without buffering. Limitations of AI and MTTR? Yes, there are some. Let's not pretend AI is a silver bullet. Here are a few caveats. Data dependency. AI needs clean, structured data. In regions with poor documentation or legacy systems, implementation can be tricky. Cost. AI platforms and sensors aren't cheap. Smaller ISPs may struggle with upfront investment. Skill gap. AI requires skilled personnel, data scientists, network engineers, and software developers. Nigeria's talent pool is growing, but demand still outpaces supply. Alternatives to AI and why they fall short. Some companies still rely on manual monitoring. Engineers watch dashboards and react to alarms. Scheduled maintenance. Fixed intervals for checks, regardless of actual need. Reactive repairs. Wait for failure, then fix. These methods are slow, expensive, and prone to human error. In contrast, AI offers real-time insights, scalable solutions, continuous learning. The bigger picture, AI plus MTTR equals business resilience. Reducing MTTR isn't just a technical goal, it's a strategic advantage. Customer retention, fewer outages mean happier users. Operational efficiency, faster repairs save money. Brand reputation, reliability builds trust. Whether you're a CTO at a telco or a startup founder in Abuja, investing in AI for network reliability is no longer optional. It's essential. What's next? The future of self-healing networks. We're heading toward networks that don't just detect and repair faults. They prevent them entirely. Imagine fiber links that reroute traffic automatically during a cut. Optical switches that self-calibrate after power surges. AI models that learn from every incident to improve future responses. Companies like Cisco, Huawei, and Juniper networks are already building these capabilities into their platforms. Nigerian firms are catching up fast, with partnerships and pilot programs underway. AI is not just a buzzword. It's the key to unlocking zero downtime in transmission and optical networks. Whether you read deep in the trenches of fiber deployment or just curious about how your internet stays online, understanding MTTR and AI's role in it is vital. Let's keep the conversation going. Have you seen AI improve network reliability in your organization? Are you exploring predictive maintenance? Drop a comment, share your thoughts, or tag someone who needs to read this. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.